let me welcome our Munish ji as a operating officer and president. So he's big things for us, and him and Mr. Saxena knows him, knowing him. So today is the and let us think some big things are going. Welcome, Mr.
Yes. Thank you.
और सबसे पहले मुनीश जी आप लोग एक एक करके अपना परिचय दे दें।
बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट पोस्ट है जी ये, उसके बगैर
इंट होने वाला है मुझे दिसंबर में और सिंगल
मेरा नाम हेमा है 2 months कंप्लीट हो
सर मैं दिव्या गुप्ता डेवलपमेंट में हूँ ना मोर देन
अंजू
Yes, Bhaveda. First time to get almost.
So I'm announced on our group. He's our first partner.
अभिषेक झा 2 months कंप्लीट हुआ मेरा।
सर विशाल सिंह 2 months कंप्लीट हुआ है सेंस मार्केट।
Saxena, 15 days back.
4 months complete होने वाला है सर।
Then I did my schooling and then college. And then I got selected by the TAFE for captain at that time in 97. So we have started as his own manager daily, looking after
Agriculture divisions. So one more congratulations for you.
Thank you.
Yes, I know about him, about his nature and about his working style. So definitely, I think so. Again, welcome on board of Arisha.
Thank you.
Sport, but first come
Congratulations.
whoever joined in the export.